In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase drawing in Canva. If you've used the Draw tool to mark up a design for explanations, feedback, or quick sketches, and now you want to clean canvas again, this walkthrough will show you exactly what to do, clearly and simply. Start by opening your project in Canva. Make sure you're on the design you want to clean up so you can see the areas where you've drawn. Give the page a second to load, especially if it's a larger file, so all your layers and tools appear correctly. Next, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see the main toolbar running vertically. Click on Tools. This is where Canva groups features like the drawing controls. Once you're in Tools, find and click the Draw icon. It typically looks like a pencil. Clicking this opens the drawing panel and reveals the brush options you've used before. This is the same place you accessed when you originally made your marks. Inside the Draw panel, you'll see an option labeled Eraser. Click it to switch from drawing to erasing. Your cursor will change to reflect the eraser mode, and you're ready to remove the lines or doodles you've added. Move your cursor over the marks you want to clear and drag to erase. If the eraser feels too big or too small for the detail you're working on, adjust the eraser size in the same panel so you can work precisely around edges. A few helpful tips as you erase. Zoom in on detailed areas so your hand movements are more controlled and you avoid removing the wrong line. Use short, steady strokes rather than long, sweeping ones for better accuracy. If you erase more than you intended, press Undo to bring a mark back instantly and try again. Take your time around fine details so you preserve the parts of the drawing you still want to keep. It's important to note that the eraser in the Draw tool affects drawings made with that tool. It won't remove text, photos, or other design elements. That's actually useful because it lets you clean up your drawn annotations without disturbing everything else on the page. If a mark doesn't erase, double check that it was created with the Draw tool and not added as a different kind of element. When you're done, simply stop erasing and continue editing your design as usual. That's all there is to it. Open your project, go to Tools, click Draw, select the eraser, and clear the marks you no longer need. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.